Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making a date and dry fruit ladoo, also known as the powerhouse of nutritions. This is a very healthy recipe made without any sugar or jaggery. It's a perfect recipe while you are fasting or even if you want to stay fit and healthy. So what are we waiting for? Let's have a look at the ingredients. These are the dry fruits we are going to be using, but you can choose your favorites. We have 70 grams of walnuts, 70 grams of figs, 70 grams of almonds, 70 grams cashew, 70 grams raisins, 70 grams unsalted pistachios, and 200 grams of dates, along with 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons of ghee, and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Now we're going to blend all our ingredients together. Almonds. Almonds maintain normal blood pressure and heart function. Cashews. They help to fight heart disease and are a good source of vitamin E and B6. Walnuts. Walnuts are a big powerhouse of goodness and especially in vitamin E. Pistachios. They are an excellent source of protein and fiber. Raisins are packed with energy, rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals. Figs. Figs maintain a healthy digestive system and are a very good source of calcium. Dates. Dates are full of iron and are very delicious. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are a very good source of fiber. They lower cholesterol and lower blood pressure. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder to enhance the flavour. Ghee is a very good source of energy, good fat, it is good for your heart and skin, but we will only be using half of it as we will need some later. Now it's time to blend everything together. This is how it should look once it's been blended. Now we're going to take it out into a bowl. Now we're going to grease our hands and then make small balls out of it. We've made some round shapes now, and my mum is making some modern shapes. You can make loads of different types of shapes and get your kids to help you with them too. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.